Okay, the crabs is ready. I'm just basting it with my garlic butter sauce that I have made and poured on top of it. So you can get all up in there. So every crack and pull is gonna be delicious. The next time I make this, I'm doing it in the oven because I did it in the oven before and it was delicious. I made the garlic butter sauce, poured it on there, covered it, put it in an aluminum pan with a top, and make sure you read the video description fully. And the next time I'm gonna make, but actually when I do it in the oven, I'm gonna make it like a full seafood boil. Okay, that's it. And tell me how you make your crab in the comment section. Okay, I'm about to plate it. Well, put it on my platter. Yeah, I cannot wait to sit down and eat this. This is gonna be so bomb. Yes, baby. Let me turn it this way. I want to pour the saucy sauce on there. Okay, make sure you watch my TikTok and YouTube channel and read the description fully. Okay. This is the finished product. And I'm going to take some of this here juice. Put it on there. Turn it around. Okay, now I'm about to give me a bottle of water and sit down and bust these down. Thank you for watching.